Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. We're just syncing up our good old live. Okay. So let's continue on with the search. What are we talking about? Okay, so here we have some CFDs. Forex, I did this last night for some people. What you can see here is the usuals. Australia USD is, I think the Australian dollar might be on the move. British pound now as well in US dollars. So does that mean the US dollar is strengthening? That's a good question. Here, it's because we have a GBP USD with a long. We rarely see that. The other thing is we have a short here on pound against the Australian dollar. Same with a pound against the franc. So it looks like the British pound is weakening. Today the US Canadian is down with a short there. USD CHF Swiss franc is down. Same with USD Denmark and Mexico. Here we get into some gold trades. So this looks like it's long, but it's not much to brag about compared to silver. You can see them. We're looking at gold in Australia, pound, yen, New Zealand, Australia. We also got Canada, franc, two of those. And then we also have euro and two in the pound. Yeesh. And now we have Hong Kong dollar as well. They're performing a little bit, but I would think that the silver might be better. You can see we have 1, 2 in Singapore, New Zealand as well, Hong Kong as well. We have a second call, long call on Australia and USD. Europe is not doing too good. Lots of shorts there, with the exception that it really bounced here. I don't know why, but euro on the pound, and Brexit's done. 2 longs there. Euro and Hong Kong dollar. Does that mean that Hong Kong's strengthening? So much unpredictability here. Same with Norway as well. Couple. Okay, this might be important. Okay, so we have a long here on the Hong Kong 33. So I did talk about that. I think it was a few days ago or maybe yesterday. Hong Kong may strengthen. New Zealand here we got a short pound against the Singapore dollar. So does that mean that Singapore is going to strengthen? Same. Well, maybe Taiwan is flattening out. Now we have another short here for the pound against the Australian. This is a key one here. We have USD China Yuan short. Interesting. I would say that the bond situation for the US is somewhat stable as the 5-year and 10-year start to show some longing. USD Canada, another short. Big drop here in USD franc. Same with the Denmark. So these are your safe havens. So they're not doing too good here. Well, I'm not gonna. Okay, so we have oil here. I mentioned this before. Oil looks like it could move, but I gotta wait it out. I'd probably wait out to this point B here, at least for a potential entry. Again, we question the Hong Kong dollar. That might be starting to show some strength. The franc's dropping. I would also say the Canadian and the franc and the yen with some shorts. More safe havens I would consider. Pound against the franc dropping. Same with the pound against the yen. We have here another long of pound against US dollar. This is an interesting combo considering where we're at. I'm not going to mention Australia, New Zealand, that's short there. Again, Australia and the yen. 1 short, 1 long. Actually, we've got a total of 4 here. So it looks like we got 3 out of 4 shorts for Australia and the franc. Okay, here's another interesting. So we have a big short here on the UK 100. Same with the US 30. Here's another oil. So that might mean potentially something. Pound against the franc. Here now we're starting to load up a little bit on longing for gold. Not as strong outlook as silver. So we have gold in Australia. Same with Canada. Same with the franc. But here we get silver in Australia. That's got a long. Australia, Canada long. Australia, franc. 3 of those. 2 shorts. 3 shorts. Yeah. So I could go on. We have another short here, Australia, New Zealand. That's an interesting one. Euro 30, another big short here. I think the markets are definitely going to tap out, but where will that money go? I think I'll go into what I've described before in past videos. Euro, Australia, 1 short, 1 long. Europe is really weak, I would think. Same with Switzerland as well. When you got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just see how many shorts we got. 3, 4, 5. So 4 out of 5 are short. More short with the euro check. I mean, it's not. I don't know what to say. So we got a bunch here with the euro, Turkish lira. I'm not going to bother. Hong Kong 33 still looking good, but you get these moves, as you can see here. We're just a run up on the 7th and just drops and fades back within a few days. Here's Taiwan. We got 4 of those. Looks like we got maybe 3 out of 4 longs. US bond 30-year, 4 of those. They're all longing, so that looks good. That does look stable, okay, because you can see that long decline. The stock market starts to stabilize. It's all really around this vaccine rollout, so maybe, just maybe, things may pick up and the inevitable will just get delayed longer. Saudi, the same, flat. US 30, top 30, we got short there. It makes me really think that, yeah, there's going to be a correction coming in the markets. I don't think it has anything to do with the vaccine. Probably the debt's more like it, but I mean, a lot of it was driven by the debt. Sorry, by the vaccine. US Singapore, 2 shorts there. Brent crude, another long. Natural gas, surprisingly, got 2 agriculture, soybean, 1 long, 1 short, don't matter. See if anything. So again, pound in Hong Kong with a long. Yeah, you can see that the franc is dropping. Well, these shorts here. And you get the Turkish and Saudi, the rand. Yeah, this is an important one. It's copper and US dollar. See how it's flat? This is what we want to see for confirmed manufacturing. As I keep saying, copper's a lead industrial metal. So you got that rally there, and it's just slowly drifting. It's all related around the vaccine and the virus as well. And another one as well. So there's 2 shorts there for copper and US. And lastly, we have platinum and USD. Just drop it. That's about it. Thanks for watching.